Hello, this is the third course of places to visit in Seoul. I'll show you the route from Gyeongbokgung Palace to Buam-dong. We used only public transportation, and the entire trip took about 5 hours. We first got off at Gyeongbokgung Station on subway line 3 and looked around the palace. At noon, they kindly took commemorative photos for visitors. After lightly exploring for about an hour, we headed toward exit 3 of the station. Exit 3-1 has an escalator, so we use that one. If you walk straight for about 2 minutes from exit 3, you'll find the bus stop. Take bus 1020 or 722. And get off at Cheongun Tunnel Station after about 10 minutes. Cross the street and walk past the Yeouido Literature Museum for about 7 minutes. And you'll find Cheongun Literature Library, located along a beautiful path. It's a perfect atmosphere and route for a light walk. It's even more beautiful in spring when flowers bloom and in autumn with colorful leaves. It's a lesser-known tourist spot. There was also a quiet place where you could take off your shoes and read comfortably. We stayed here for about an hour. If you head back to the bus stop we mentioned earlier, you'll find Changuimun Gate and the Seoul Fortress Trail just 1 minute away. First, we went up the Seoul Fortress Trail located right next to Changuimun Gate. We even saw 3 deer up there. If the weather is nice, the path going up is truly wonderful. The view of the village below was also beautiful. After a 30-minute walk, we came down and passed through Changuimun Gate. Then finally arrived at Buam-dong. There are many famous restaurants and pretty cafes here, making it a great place to sit and relax. It's especially well known for its popular cafes, so I highly recommend it as your final stop. We introduce many different places like this, so please look forward to even better spots in the future. Thank you for watching the video.